Hi guys, Chief Tom here, back for another video. So today we're at the national show
in Telford.
So yeah, it's probably a bit loud right now because you can't hear. But we've got all these birds.
We're going to go down and we're going to show you what
That's the sale section.
We're going to hopefully go and show you what we're buying. Let's go.
Let's go.
I'm getting these numbers here, but basically the aim of it is you have to absolutely sprint because people are going to try and get the little slips. We'll show you the whole,
So this is the biggest poultry show in the world, guys. So yeah, it's massive. And what we're walking across right now is all of the selling queue. Because normally in sales you literally just go and get the slips, but this is a queue one. So as you can see, people are queuing right here.
My dad's at the front.
And James Salterbridge, his dad's at the very front, and we're going to do this. So this is
the ones I'm getting. I've got to get here. These ones right there. Not these ones. And then
No, James, you've got to do 183.
Yeah, I've done one.
No, you did 183. You've got to do 183.
And then 231. Here. These are me flare down with the then I run out the top. Collect a slip of these, and then yeah, that's me. And if I get all those slips, I will be proud.
So
Tom is also getting these ones here,
Dutch,
and I am getting these ones here. Hopefully, we've got black Belgian Dutch.
Right, let's go back up top. Oh no, I've got some more I'm getting. So this is the biggest poultry show in the world, guys.
Yeah, it's really cool.
So I'm getting those three.
And
those two. So
if we go back up to the top,
so let's go back up to the top.
I think that's the biggest